It's a Generac 22kw Guardian generator. Kind of lift it up open here. 100 amp circuit breaker in here. This guy right here is the Evolution controller. A little green light just let you know everything's in automatic. It's got a V-twin engine in here. And there's the generator, air cleaner up on top. Got our valves. Tuck it in there well. Pull that off. Kind of get in here to the side of the engine here. It's a pretty straightforward engine, so air cooled, which means there's a lot less to go wrong with it. You know, it's simple, robust, reliable, and everything's in that one controller here. We'll fire it up here in just a minute. I'll take you up here and show you the transfer switches. So you also notice that it is underneath this deck here, but there is 5 feet of clearance on top. The back clearance is 18 inches. The side and front clearances are 3 feet. And you also notice that the regulator for the propane is right there. And that piece of copper coming off is the vent. So they need 5 feet from the combustion for that vent. So they pipe that vent away. And we'll show you the transfer switches and then we'll run this thing. So here we have the transfer switches. There's actually 2 of them because this is a 400 amp service. Down here we see that the generator leads are coming in here. They go from one transfer switch to the next. And these are our new service disconnects here, so they take the whole house. This is the actual transfer switch, the solenoids that operate it, and that right there is a load shed module. So these conductors here, they come from the meter can outside to the top of this breaker, goes through the breaker to the transfer relay. From the transfer relay, these go from the house up to the house panel. And one thing that we had to do at the house panel is we actually had to separate our grounds and our neutrals here, because this is now a sub panel and not the service panel. It's no longer a service disconnect, it's just a main breaker. And there's 2 of them here. Now this one over here, we got a little more going on. So here, that's the load shed module. It does the same thing as the other one, but this is the older version here. And we added this 24 volt relay in here, and that powers up some of these definite purpose contactors that I have around to actually, because it's a pretty large service here, when the generator gets overloaded, this module here will actually kick out and turn off the loads for a little while, let the generator catch up, and then cycle. Now here, let's run it.